Oh no, it's ruined.
I guess we'll just have to send it back.
Full refund, but they don't get the product back. I just get my money back.
Yeah.
So I can buy another one.
Yeah.
Hey man, do you guys know what this is? Look at this box. I probably showed it on camera. I don't know if you could read the fine print, but look at this big ass box. Big ass box. Is it pretty heavy? I haven't tried to pick it up. I was really hungover this morning.
It weighs about 50 pounds.
Okay. All right, so let's take a look here at what we got. Yep, right there. Let's read that out loud for the class. What does that say? Hey, Lois, what's that word? Evil. That word? Knievel. That word? Was. That word? Born. That word? Montana. Huh. Lois, did you know Evel Knievel was born in Montana? It's a turbo kit.
Did you know that it was a turbo kit?
No.
Lois?
Lois, did you know it was a turbo kit?
Number 11.
Number 11. Does that mean there's only been 11 of these sold? 11 eBay turbo kits? You guys need to buy them.
There were 11 options.
Oh.
You bought the 11th configuration.
So probably the lowest one.
Like fucking just scrolling through Pornhub. You found the 11th one.
That's bullshit, because that was still like $700.
It happens.
That's still kind of an expensive kit.
But it's from ISR.
It says ISR, but...
Shut up, it's from ISR.
I mean, yeah, it does say ISR on it, but I don't actually think it's ISR because a deadass, it's a T4. It's a T4 kit. That's an eBay kit. So I'm just kind of confused. Anyways, we're going to be doing an unboxing today.
Hey, I'm not afraid of being snipped. You ever been clamped before? You're terrible at this. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
No, this is how we do it.
This is his first time.
Everybody has a first time, all right, bud?
We casted this sorry mother off the street.
Dude, I need some water. Can you give me some water, please?
You need the scissors again, don't you, Squidward?
Ah! All right, box. All right, we're gonna start with this box. What's this one?
Turbo.
It's a fucking small ass turbo. Well, I'll be damned.
Last flange?
No, it's just the turbo flange. All right, next box.
Gas
Dude,
tanks.
it really is like Christmas. Like, look at all these gifts.
Yeah.
Look at all these boxes in this big box. It's a box in a box.
I want to know what's in that black one.
This black one?
Yeah, that
Well,
one.
we'll show you guys what
They
big.
can't see it.
No,
they
you
can
can't see
from
the
like-
big black one. I see the big black one. This looks like my fuel pump. Nope, this is
Blow up?
fuel pressure regulator.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's it's the EUSA. It's a turbo, or it's a eBay thing. But these ones aren't not that bad. I actually have a lot of friends that use these. The ISR is actually a better fuel regulator, but I don't have ISR money, so work with what you got. And they're brand new parts. I don't give a shit. They'll last at least 6 months.
Last at least 40 miles.
65, 40 was dude, how cool is this though? Look, they even give you the T3 kit. They even give you all the flanges, hose clamps, the vacuum hoses themselves. Like, that's actually pretty cool.
If that's the fuel pressure regulator, that's fuel in.
Well, this is a vacuum hose. This is a fuel hose. Yeah.
Okay, save that one for last.
The big one?
Yeah, go for the little black one closest to you.
This little guy?
Yeah.
This is probably the fuel pump.
Roller? Boost controller? AFR?
No, I actually have to buy AFR separately, but I think this is the boost controller. Their instructions are probably just figure
Put
it
that
out.
wherever.
Yeah, figure
This
it out.
goes on here somehow. Figure it out.
Yeah, it works. We know that. Next box.
You broke it.
I hope not.
More hose. More fittings.
More fittings for something. I don't know what this is for.
Small white box. Small white box.
Small white box.
Small.
It really is like Christmas,
Yeah.
because this is what my dad does to me every time. He's like, "No, guys, pick that one out. You gotta get that. You gotta open that one first. You got. Yeah, aren't you surprised?"
Yeah, your daddy issues don't leave you.
Huh? All right. This is the fuel pump.
Yep.
Ooh.
It's not a Walboro 255, but it'll do.
It's So it is not a Walbro 255. It is a 255, just not a Walbro. It'll work. It's a 255 pump. It will do its job. It will give me the fuel I need. It's just, like I said, I have budget money. Fuck Dakota. I'm opening this big one.
I told him not to.
I'm gonna do it. Because this looks like the turbo! It's probably not the turbo. Well, maybe, because this is the, actually, you know what? Before I'm gonna take this out, because this is, yep, these are the oil lines, which I don't need, because I actually have better ones in the garage. I might need the feed. The feed I might need. That's actually not, dude, that's actually not bad. For a little eBay. That's obviously the turbo. So I want to open that. Let me open the turbo. Dakota, if you don't give me my fucking child, I'm going to call protective service on you. We're getting a restraining order. Top quality. Yo, let me see that. Top quality.
Turbocharger.
Top quality turbocharger. Motherfucker, if this has shaft play out of the box.
Turbocharger installation instructions.
Warning. Don't do this in your backyard. It's probably what it's saying. That was already open, wasn't it?
Yes, it is.
I was not crazy. Am I crazy? Is this one? No, this was close. Somebody fucking looked. Somebody was like, I gotta see this top quality turbocharger. What the fuck?
High tech. That looks like it was handwritten on the side of the box.
Okay, some flanges.
Gaskets.
Oh, baby! Yo, sex. Oh. All right. Cue the
Just do it.
No, you know, cue the Zelda finding an item music. Ooh, damn, that's a fucking pretty big turbo. Okay, top quality. This is my fucking child.
What's the brand name on it?
It's it's eBay. It doesn't matter.
What does it say right there?
T3, T4.
AR50?
Mm-hmm. It's not it's a T3, T4. It's just eBay. It's just some China. He does. Okay, you gotta go. Ooh. Oh my God! I am really put that somewhere very safe. Do not fucking drop my child. So we got the turbo out of the way. Let's figure out what else we got in here. Dude, look at this little hose. Yeah, that's the coolest fucking vacuum hose I've ever seen. Vacuum hose I've ever seen.
You're such a child.
Dude.
BOB.
And this is the wastegate. Is it the ball valve? I think it is.
That's what the little thing on the side is.
Hey man.
Top quality.
Top quality, sticking out the plastic. All right, what's in this box? I don't know.
Ooh.
This is the wastegate. There we go. That's the wastegate. So, wastegate. Ooh, vibrating. It's a spring.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so.
It's blue too. You're gonna have to paint shit in your engine bay blue.
Yeah. So,
damn, that's a big ass spring. Holy shit.
I hope this is an extra spring and I don't have to like put that on because that's gonna kind of not be cool. Maybe they're just extra springs to change out. So I gotta figure out
what's in there first.
What's in here? Yeah, what I need to switch out and what do I gotta do. So this will be a project of its own. So we'll figure that out later. Okay, so yeah, let me get all that shit back. What do you think it is? Contestant number 1.
Tubing.
No, is that your final answer?
Yeah.
All right.
Turbo.
Now watch this. No. All right, and see if you won. The price is right. Dude, I'm like gonna cut my fucking fingers off. Is what's gonna happen. Oh shit! You were right. Look. Ooh, that's some quality fucking. Oh yeah, look at that quality parts.
Those are actually really good.
Clamps, I know. These aren't bad. Ooh. Dude. Alright, so I'm gonna have to find somebody that can bend pipe because these are universal fit. So I'm gonna have to make some magic happen.
You're also gonna need an intercooler, unless
that's probably the intercooler. You're gonna need an intercooler. Why would they give you piping? Oh, that's my manifold. Hell yeah, dude. You know what'd be sick? Did it come with the gasket? Oh, baby.
You don't even need an exhaust gasket. They're nice to have, but you don't need them.
Dude, I don't give a shit. Okay, so this is going on tonight because there's some shit I gotta do, and I can't work on the. So there's only a little bit we can do to the motor tonight. All right, so some of you may know this too, like that watch my videos. The stud right here is broke.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna transport the motor back and forth places. It's not a big deal, but I'm gonna use sealant how it needs to be used. So you gotta let it sit for 24 hours to cure, right? So both sides of the gasket, I'm gonna cake up with copper gasket maker, which will withstand the heat, but I gotta let it cure overnight. So, and I can't torque it down. So I gotta put the manifold on, hand tighten the bolt nuts all the way, as just finger tight, and then let it sit compressed like that for 24 hours. So the sealant is spread out evenly, and then it has time to cure without being smushed. And then the next day, smush it. Smush it. You take your wrench and you smush it. Dude, I'm just in a really good mood. Alright? Alright, last box! Last box! Can you guess what it is? Anybody? Anybody? Come on down, anybody. Step right up. Come on. Win a prize, guess a prize, guess the item. What's in the box? What's in the box?
What's in the fucking box?
What's in the fucking box? Alright, what do you think it is? Come on, one last item.
Doesn't it say it like right there?
One. Do you want to win a fucking prize or not?
I predict that it is going to be an intercooler that is this tall and that long.
Ow!
Now there's staples in there, dummy.
No shit. Oh my baby Jesus. Oh sweet baby Jesus.
Is it a big one?
Hell yeah, it's a big one.
No, it's
Ha! What? You want to take a guess? You think it's a small one?
It's a radiator.
Oh shit. It fucking better not be.
Holy shit, thanks.
That is a big ass intercooler, my guy. Look at that. Fuck me up, daddy. Jesus.
Yeah, that's also universal fit, so you're gonna have to drill holes into like your dashboard.
Should I have my pipe? Well, I think I'm gonna have my piping low. I like that look. Until you crash, and then you completely fucking destroy it.
You should wait to mock it up in the car. You're gonna have to pull like the whole front end off to mock it up, though.
No.
You should.
No. So see, I should mock it up when I get the S15 core support. Because I'm buying the core support after I get everything to get the car running.
You want to show them your other new thing?
What other new thing? Alright, so the Bronco's gone.
Yeah, it blew up.
Kind of did, actually.
Explosion. The clutch, we found out on the way to where we were going that the clutch is bad. So AJ put it in 5th gear, and he was telling me that the clutch didn't really work. He put his foot down.
I didn't say the clutch didn't really work. I told you that the first night I got it, I was driving 5th gear on the freeway, and
it was a dog.
It just didn't go. It was sitting right there, and I was like, ooh, and it was barely moving. So I'm like...
So he showed me, and the clutch slipped and caught a little bit of the leaking oil on fire, and it burned down.
Yeah. So Bronco's gone. I actually just traded it for another car.
Yeah.
It's practical, which is something I normally would never do, because I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
You're stupid.
So
you live your life a 16th of a mile at a time.
I live my life a quart of oil at a time. Before I show you the new toy, let's kind of recap on everything I got on the turbo stuff here. So I got the turbo. This is literally everything I needed to fuel pump,
turbo,
yep.
fuel pump,
the piping, the oil return lines. That's pretty much it. I went with this kit too, by the way. A, because I'm poor as shit. But B, I mean, a lot of people have used like the T3, T4 kits, and as long as you don't over abuse them, you almost never have issues with them. You have minor, like the most I've seen is like my buddy crashed and like he had to replace his intercooler, and that was it. But his turbo still runs. It hasn't failed yet. Wastegate and everything. He ended up like replacing some of the wastegates with other parts, but you know, for right now I can use all this and then upgrade as I go, which I'm not worried about because I do want to get a Walbro fuel pump instead of this cheap little eBay one. But yeah, I went with it just because it's a budget right now, and I already spent quite a bit of money on the motor, and I really need to get the motor in the car and able to crank over because I need to see compression before I start throwing more money at the car, because if compression is under 150 in this motor, I'm just going to pull it out and rebuild it. I'm not going to take chances on it. I'm just going to let the car sit again because it needs to be done right this time. So without further ado, let's go take a look at the new whip. Come on, the new whip is fucking sick.
They may have
Hey, VTEC.
he bought an 05 Civic sedan.
VTEC? Dude, this thing is fucking...
Well, he didn't buy it. He traded it.
I traded the Bronco that was falling apart.
Yeah.
And this thing is going to be a lot more expensive if it falls apart because it's a hybrid.
It is.
So...
He bought a Prius.
I did buy a Prius, but you know what?
He bought a different brand of Prius.
Dude, there is this drifter I follow, and he made a video about buying a Prius. He has his drift car, his tow rig, and he's got a Prius that he dailies. And he was like, I swear to God, buying a Prius is the best investment because you're gonna save gas. So, who knows? I mean, I don't give a shit. It runs and drives, the car's locked. I guess not. So that doesn't work.
Here, here. You take it. You do you.
So the inside here is pretty clean, right? Yeah. It's automatic. I'm still not used to that. I still get in and I, put my foot where the clutch should be. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's here. We'll start it up. So and this is where I'm going to end the video too, to show you guys the new whip. It's pretty. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but it's cool. You can't hear it. Ooh. It sounds like a supercharger. The Hog just got supercharger. But I'm gonna end the video here because I'm gonna go start working on the other video and putting the motor semi together right now, as far as what I can do without a cherry picker and letting the sealant sit. But I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this and checking out the turbo kit. This thing is probably going to take a little bit of time to finish. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Nothing seriously goes wrong putting this motor in and stuff, and I can have it running by the end of this month. That's like my goal. That would be the best birthday gift to myself, is to have my 240 running. So I'll see you guys all later. Okay, bye.